everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome. If you are old and coming back, I say welcome and thank you so much for being here. Into this video, this is the before how our master bedroom look like now. I'm gonna be changing this space into a fall feel. I just want to give this bedroom a little bit refresh because we have really not been home a lot lately. We've been in and out because our house is on the market. So now these days I just make the bed and we were out of the door. So I haven't really been spending more time home or trying to do anything much, and even if I try to like clean and things, I cannot really pick up the camera because I'm always in haste and trying to get the kids and I out of the house because our house been on the market and we've been doing a lot of showing. So when we was putting this house on the market, I had to come in each and every space in this home and clear it out because I wanted the space to look bare and neat and clean so that way the pictures can come out really well. I didn't want anything in the space. So after all of that is done and it is the fall season, I'm coming back into our space and trying to refresh it and give us that cozy look that we need for this fall season. So in today's video, I will be completely decorating my bedroom for fall. And what I decided to do with this room, I'm somebody that don't like colors. I always stick to the neutral and things, but this fall season I decided to get out of my comfort zone and come in with some beautiful burgundy and brown and all of these fall colors to just brighten up this space because I feel like a brand new person. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing today. When life is colorful, you have to add some color in it, y'all. So I'm adding some color into this bedroom today because as you can see in here is very white, so I want to bring in that fall color and turn this entire room into a fall bedroom, and I am going for that cozy and relaxing look for this bedroom. So with that being said, my name is Oforiwa. If you are new here, I'm a mom of 4. I have 3 of my kids in school, and then I have my little daughter, which is Isabella. She just turned 1 year old. I love her. She's my little helper. You guys gonna see her here and there. This blanket I'm showing you guys, I got it from Amazon. I love it so much. I love the color. As you can see, I'm actually wearing a fall color today, and that suit the 2-piece that I'm wearing, I got that from Marshall, and it's really nice and comfortable. So I just decided to say, you know what, let me just throw this on me today because I'm gonna be doing a fall decor with me, and I really love that color. So I'm just gonna keep this bed really simple but also give it that fall look. I live in Virginia, and we are not really ready in the winter yet. It is not really cold yet. It is not really that cold. So we still wearing sleeveless, or let's just say regular clothes, because our state haven't really getting that cool look. So into this video, my bed, I'm gonna keep just this blanket that I got from Amazon. I feel because right now we're still running our AC, we haven't even turned on our heat yet. So that's how the temperature is now. So I don't want to make the bed too hot because me and my husband, for me, I feel cold at certain time of the night and then I feel hot at certain time of the night. My husband, he's not really a blanket person. So because it's not cold yet, so I took out we used to have a cord, so I'm gonna keep that thick blanket and just put this breathable blanket on this bed, and I love the color. So I decided to do this pleat design I have been seeing everywhere on all of the reel, and I decided to say, you know what, let me just try it and see how it's gonna look like. And I was able to do the two. I was trying to do three, but I'm like, you know what, I shouldn't push my luck, so let me just keep it on the two. And that's what I did, and I love it. Next time I will try the three pleat, but for now I'm gonna keep it at two because that's where I'm comfortable at right now. So I am bringing in my regular pillow that we use to put our head on, and then I'm bringing in this pillow. So this blanket from Amazon, which is the orange one, came in with the blanket and then the two shrimp pillow, which I love. I love this color so much. I am really loving the burnt orange, the yellow, the burgundy, and the red for this fall. And I'm sharing this pillow with you guys because I picked this pillow from Home Goods, y'all. I love the textures. I love the color, just the white. It gave me like a white or cream color, but I love it, y'all. And I pick up three of it from Home Goods. I was originally going to just order the pillow covers from Amazon because they have like identical pillow cover like this on Amazon. I was like, you know, let me just order the cover. But I feel like just buying the pillow, it is okay because I'm trying to invest into more throw pillow now in my home. I have really been loving the throw pillow and all of that stuff, so I just wanted to come in with some throw pillow, y'all. And I'm loving this. So this pillow, the color pillow that I just put, which is this brown, I got that pillow cover from Amazon, and that's 18 by 18. And I just put it on one of my pillows that I already had. And I already had this I call it cushion, throw kind of blanket, and I got this blanket from Home Goods during the Christmas time. I have been looking for different colors in it, but when I went at Target, I saw that Target have it, and they have a lot of colors in it. They have yellow, brown, burgundy. I think they even have a green color. So I'm gonna try to invest in some of that because I just love how they make the bed. And right now I just turn I just decided to freshen up the light stem. I don't want to put too much stuff, but I also, like I said, want to bring in the fall vibe in this room because our room have felt like we don't live here at all. It haven't been feeling like home, and I really love a comfortable, neat, and clean bedroom. So that's what I am doing today. So I'm wiping down the nightstand and making sure that all sides of the nightstands are clean and neat, and I'm also going to wipe the mirror. I love these mirrors. They're very easy to clean. As long as you spray and wipe it down, it don't leave no squeaky behind. It don't leave no marks. The mirror still clean and shiny. And I'm sorry, y'all. The space I'm trying to show you guys to clean and decorate, it is very tight. So please forgive me for not really showing you guys what for just showing my back to you guys. So I move on to the nightstand. I got this beautiful flowers from Home Goods. I just love the color. I just love the brown, the cream, the yellow. These are all of the colors I'm really loving doing this fall. And then right now I just move on to my dresser. So my dresser used to be here, and then I move it behind my door, and then I just asked my husband that can we move it back to the old place it was. I think it looked better over there. He was like, no problem, anything for you. So he helped me for us to move my dresser back to the place that it used to be, and I think I love it here. And it just give that room like that fresh new look, even though the dresser's been in this room, but it was behind our door. But just moving it back into its old space, it make the room look so new, like it is a different bedroom. So I just bring some of my decor pieces. If you guys missed my living room decorate with me, please go and check that video out. I have this same vase, and I just brought some of the flowers thing that I got from how you call Hobby Lobby, and I love this color so much, so I got another one, and then I just bring it into this space because that's the color I'm using in this space. And then I just bring in some pumpkins and books, and then I'm also coming in with my gold and marble candle holders that I got this my marble candle holder from a store here we call Ross. I have had that marble candle holder for a minute now, and I love it. And then I just bring in that black piece, and that black piece was a piece that was given to me as a gift during our wedding. I think it had like a jewelry in it from somebody, and after I took taking it out, I just feel like I just love it in my room because it holds all of my junk. And sometimes we have coin. My husband always have coins in his pocket, so we always go ahead and put the coins in that little box. But now I move on to the chair. I just throw a blanket and a pillow. So that's it for the little space. This chair, I don't really use it. I use it to hold my pillows in the night when we're ready to get into the bed. So y'all, this is the after of all of the hard work put in and all of the thought. So this is how everything turned out. My main reason of creating a YouTube channel was to share my journey of putting my home together, giving my home the treatment, the design innings. I am in a learning process. I am learning every day. I am exploring, learning new things, learning how to do new things, and learning, like I just learning in general. So that's what I have been on. So this is the before of the bedroom. Please let me know what you think, how everything turns out. I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. So like I said, I love you guys so much, and y'all, we have been able to make it to 700 subscribers. Y'all, it looked like a dream to me. I know some people be like, oh, 700 subscribers, but 700 subscribers, it is a lot to me from where I was when I started this YouTube video and where I am now. It is a blessing to have each and every one of you guys in my life supporting me. You guys are my number one family on this channel. You guys are always sharing a beautiful comment, appreciating my decoration. I feel so blessed to have you guys in my life. I know sometimes people like, oh, it's just the internet, but for who I am and where I have come, it is, you guys are more than just an internet family to me. You guys, like, you're like in my life as real life, because trusting somebody and believing in it and supporting their dream, you are a family to me. So I bless God for each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys still safe, and I love you guys. So this is how everything look like. Please let me know, like I said, and I'm sorry for the lighting. My camera keep coming in and out on the lighting. I need to find somebody to help me set this camera, y'all. Like I said, this whole YouTube thing, when I started, I didn't even know how. So thank you guys, and stay blessed and be blessed, and I love you guys. Bye, and I will see you guys in my